Hello, welcome back to Health is Wealth, where we always bring health tips and tricks to gain your health. So today we are going to discuss about push-pull legs. Push-pull leg workout is a popular exercise routine for muscle gain where exercises are divided into three categories. Number one is the pushed leg. Focuses on muscles used in pushing movements. This includes chest, shoulder, triceps. Number one is the bench press. Number six, overhead press. It targets the shoulder. The third one is the incline dumbbell press, which targets the upper chest. Number triceps, back. Number second is the full back. Targets muscle used in pulling movements. Back, biceps, deadlift. Target the lower back, pull-ups target the legs, and barbell rows that target the upper back. Bicep or which targets the biceps. So, in this way we can perform the biceps squat. Now we have to move towards the third one, which is the leg day. It engages lower body muscles, quads, hamstrings, and glutes. And the number one is the straight target the quads and glutes. Number second is the leg press, which target the quads, and we perform in this way. And the third one is the Romanian deadlift, which target the hamstrings. And the last one is the calf raise, which target the calves. So that was for today. This routine is great for muscle gain due to its structured approach, allowing you to target all major muscle groups with adequate recovery time between sessions. So, see you next time. Stay blessed, stay happy, and stay fit. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video valuable, so please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for daily tips.